Hello, my name is Hans Jorgensen, and this video is describing how to use the driving school Washington exam on the Windows Phone. So on your Windows Phone, you have a list of applications, and this program will install like any other normal application. So it appears as DrivingExamWAPhone, and it has a driving exam logo on it. When you click on it, it starts up. And it starts up by bringing up this screen, the Washington State Driving Exam. It has a couple of links for going to different spots. So like this one is classes. This has a couple of links that are pertinent to the driving school itself. This finds the closest class. This is a little page about defensive driving school. This is their Skid Monster video. This has some links to the DOL website for linking to DOL stuff. And this is a link to where you can download the driver guide. And this also, whenever you see this logo, you can click on it and it will take you to the driving school website using the phone's integrated web browser. Now this app is the practice test. This is the heart of the application. So in practice test, when you click on it, there are two buttons, play and stats. So whenever you hit play, you will get a series of 10 questions that have several answers to them. So this particular question is about signaling at least some amount of feet before a turn. So basically what you do is you click on the right answer and it will take you on, and if you click on the wrong answer, you'll get a chance to answer it again. So let's look. Now, to be honest, I don't know this one, so I'm going to guess. I'm going to guess 100 feet, which is correct. Well, give the drivers behind you plenty of warning. So this question offers an explanation to why you need to signal 100 feet before a turn. If I were to click the wrong answer, it would have told me longer or shorter for each. This is a flashing red traffic light, which yes means the same as a stop sign. Immediate license after the first 6 months and can only have 3 passengers, but I'm going to get it wrong to show you. And it says less or more. So it marks each answer as wrong as I click on it, and then we know that this answer is correct. So basically, and then once you get it right, you get it right. And we just keep going, and then I'll come back to you once I've answered 10 questions. Okay, so this is the stats screen, which can be viewed after you take a test, or you click on the stats button at the start. So this gives a list of all the questions in the database. You can look at all of them, you can fool with all of them. You see how much you got on them. So this stats screen shows nothing. For some strange reason, I guess the data must have been deleted. But what will typically happen is that some of these will have 1, 2, and 3 next to them, because you've answered that question a certain amount of times correctly in a row. Once you answer a question 3 times correctly into a row, it will automatically be sorted into the bottom of the list, and you will never be asked that question again during the test. Now, there are about 100 questions in here, and you'll be asked about 10 per hit of the play button. And once you get a question wrong, the score is reset to 0. Also, one thing you can do is once you are done using a quiz, once you've gotten 3 points for every single question, this back button, or the play again button when viewed after a quiz, will be replaced with a complete notice, and it will blank out. You can hit the clear button, and that will allow you and that will allow you to reset all of your scores to 0 if you so wish. If you don't wish to do that, then you can hit cancel, but if you hit OK, all of your scores will be reset to 0. And that way, you can use the test again on that particular phone for another person, or for yourself if you wish. So yes, that is basically the practice test application.